How to pay quarterly estimated taxes for your LLC, step-by-step guide. If you have an LLC and you're making money, the IRS expects you to pay taxes 4 times a year, not just in April. And here's the part most people mess up. You can still get hit with penalties even if you pay everything at tax time if your quarterly payments were off. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to pay quarterly estimated taxes for your LLC step by step. Even if this is your very first year in business, by the end, you'll know whether quarterly taxes even apply to you, how much you should send, when each payment is due, where to actually pay, how to avoid IRS penalties, and a few tools that make this entire process way easier. Quick disclosure, this video does include a partnered mention of Bizee, and using my link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And a quick disclaimer, I am not your CPA or attorney. This video is educational and based on real business experience. Always double check your situation with a tax professional. I'm Erin from LLC Deals. Let's get into it. Step 1, make sure quarterly taxes actually apply to you. Before sending any money to the IRS, you need to confirm whether quarterly estimated taxes actually apply to your situation. Many new LLC owners assume everyone has to pay quarterlies, but that's not true. The rules are specific, and understanding them helps you avoid both penalties and unnecessary payments. The IRS uses one standard to determine whether you must pay estimated taxes. You are required to make quarterly payments if 1, you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes for the year, and number 2, no one is withholding taxes for you during the year. Quarterly taxes exist because when you work for yourself, there's no employer withholding taxes for you. At a traditional job, your employer automatically takes federal taxes out of every paycheck and sends them to the IRS for you. But when you run an LLC or earn 1099 income, you are the employer, which means you must send those tax payments in throughout the year instead of waiting until April. That's what quarterly estimated taxes are, regular payments you make to cover your income tax and self-employment tax as you earn money. Quarterly taxes typically apply to single-member LLC owners. A single-member LLC is an LLC with one owner. The IRS treats it as a disregarded entity, meaning your business income goes straight onto your personal tax return. Since no employer is withholding taxes for you, you must pay quarterlies. Multi-member LLC owners. If an LLC has more than one owner, the IRS treats it as a partnership by default. The partnership files an informational return, but the profits pass through to each owner's personal return, which means each owner is responsible for their own estimated taxes. LLCs taxed as S corporations. Even if you elect S corp status, the owners still receive income through distributions and taxes aren't withheld from those. This makes quarterly tax payments necessary so you stay compliant and avoid underpayment penalties. Freelancers, contractors, and content creators. Anyone who receives a 1099 instead of a W-2 is considered self-employed. No taxes are withheld from your payments, so the IRS expects you to calculate and pay taxes yourself each quarter. Anyone earning 1099 or pass-through income. Pass-through income simply means the business itself does not pay income tax. Instead, the profit passes through to the owner's personal return. Because of that, the owner must pay quarterly estimated taxes to cover what would normally be withheld by an employer. Anyone whose business profit flows onto their personal tax return, this applies to most small business owners. If your business's net profit ends up on your personal Form 1040, that's a sign that you are responsible for making your own tax payments during the year. So if your income comes from your business rather than a traditional job, the IRS considers you responsible for your own withholding, meaning you have to send in those tax payments 4 times a year. That's why quarterly taxes apply to most LLC owners. Quarterly taxes generally do not apply if you only earn W-2 income, your employer already withholds enough taxes for you, your W-2 withholding is high enough to cover your business income as well, which is uncommon but possible. If you have a traditional job and all of your income is W-2, you can ignore quarterly taxes because your employer is already handling the withholding on your behalf. If your LLC is brand new and you are unsure how much you will earn, that is normal. The IRS does not expect perfection. They expect a reasonable estimate based on the information you have at the time. As the year goes on and your income becomes clearer, you can adjust each quarterly payment accordingly. Understanding whether quarterly taxes apply to you prevents two major problems: paying taxes you did not owe, being hit with underpayment penalties later. Once you determine that quarterly taxes apply to your LLC, the next steps, estimating, scheduling, and paying, become much easier. Step 2, get your basics in place. Before you can pay quarterly estimated taxes correctly, you need 3 foundational pieces in place: an official LLC, a valid EIN, and accurate bookkeeping. Without these, your quarterly tax payments won't be tracked properly and your estimates will be inaccurate. Number 1, your LLC must be officially formed. If you're still in that "I have a business but nothing is officially filed" phase, this is the moment to formalize it. The IRS expects your business structure to be clear before they can properly classify your income or match your estimated payments. A simple way to form your LLC is through Bizee. They lay out the state fees clearly, show you exactly what each formation package includes, and walk you step by step through the setup without making the process confusing. If you use my Bizee link, it is a partner link and it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. I recommend them because they're straightforward, affordable, and beginner friendly. Once your LLC is active, the IRS recognizes your business officially, and that's when quarterly tax rules apply. Number 2, you need an EIN. Your EIN, also called an employer identification number, is basically your business's social security number. It's a unique ID the IRS gives your LLC so it can keep all your tax records separate from your personal ones. Here's what the EIN actually does for you. It lets the IRS track your estimated tax payments. When you send in quarterly taxes, the IRS needs a way to match those payments to the right business. Your EIN tells them these payments belong to this LLC. It ensures your payments get matched to the correct business. Without an EIN, the IRS could mix your business activity with your personal taxes or with someone else who has a similar name. The EIN prevents that confusion. It connects your LLC activity to your personal tax return. Most LLCs are pass-through entities, meaning the business itself doesn't pay income tax. The profit passes through to you. Your EIN helps the IRS link everything correctly when you file your personal return. It keeps your social security number private. When you use your SSN for business paperwork, you end up putting your personal identity at risk on invoices, W-9 forms, banking documents, vendor applications, tax filings. Using an EIN instead protects your identity and keeps your legal documents consistent. If you don't have an EIN yet, Northwest can help you get one quickly. It's a simple process, and once you have your EIN, you'll need it for opening a business bank account. Banks require an EIN to separate your personal money from your business money, which protects your LLC status. Applying for payment processors. Platforms like Stripe, PayPal, and Square ask for an EIN so they can issue accurate tax forms like 1099-Ks. Filing end-of-year taxes. Your EIN gets used on your Schedule C partnership return or S-Corp return, depending on how your LLC is taxed. Number 3, you need basic bookkeeping. Quarterly taxes are based on net profit, not on how much money is sitting in your bank account. That's one of the biggest mistakes new LLC owners make. The formula is simple: net profit equals income minus expenses. And the IRS only taxes the profit, not your total revenue. To get this right, you need a bookkeeping system that actually tracks how much money your business earned, what your legitimate business expenses were, what your true taxable profit is. A tool like Doola makes this far easier because it automatically tracks your income, categorizes your expenses, and shows you your estimated tax responsibility throughout the year. It keeps your numbers clean, which is extremely important if you're ever audited or need to prove your estimated estimates were reasonable. Guessing your profit is how people end up underpaying and get hit with penalties. Accurate bookkeeping is how you avoid them. Step 3, decide how much to pay each quarter. There are 2 ways to calculate your quarterly payment. Method 1, the safe harbor method. If your business existed last year, take last year's total tax owed and divide it by 4. As long as you pay at least that amount, the IRS usually won't penalize you even if your income grows this year. This method gives you a penalty shield. Method 2, estimate based on this year's profit. This is what most new LLC owners use, the general rule. Set 25 to 30% of your net profit for taxes. If you're making more money or you're closer to 6 figures, increase that to 30 to 35%. For example, your projected profit is $10,000. Your estimate, 25%, is $2,500 for the year. Divide that by 4, $625 per quarter. Not perfect, but accurate enough to avoid penalties and avoid a surprise bill later. If you want your estimates to be more precise each quarter, tools like Doola help because you'll always know your exact profit to date. Step 4, know the quarterly tax deadlines. These dates never change much. April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, January 15th covers the last quarter of the previous year. Mark these dates down. Missing even one can trigger penalties and daily compounding interest, even if the amount owed is small. Step 5, actually pay your quarterly taxes. Here's the simplest, cleanest way to pay quarterly taxes. Number 1, IRS direct pay. This works for payments tied to your social security number. Number 2, EFTPS, Electronic Federal Tax Payment System. This is best if you're paying as a business using your EIN. Once your account is set up, you'll choose estimated tax, Form 1040-ES, current tax year, amount you're paying. Double check each detail, submit, and save your confirmation number. You'll need that record at tax time. Pro tip, keep a dedicated quarterly tax payments folder with all receipts and confirmations. If you live in a state with income tax, you may also need to make state estimated payments. Each state has its own portal, but the process is very similar. Step 6, decide where the money comes from. A very common question, should I pay quarterlies from my business account or personal account? For most LLC owners, it does not matter to the IRS because your taxes are tied to your personal return. But the bookkeeping treatment is different. If you want to pay from your personal account, transfer the amount out of your business first. Just keep it consistent and record each payment properly. Step 7, track your payments and adjust as you go. Quarterly taxes aren't set it and forget it. Your business might earn more, earn less, have seasonal spikes, change dramatically throughout the year. Inside your IRS account, you can check every payment that you've made, the dates, the applied tax years. If your profit increases, increase your next payment. If it drops, you can reduce your payment. The IRS expects you to make a good faith effort, not protection. Step 8, what happens if you shut down your LLC? If your business is no longer operating and you dissolve your LLC, your quarterly tax obligations end after your final tax year is closed. If you ever reach that point, Bizee also offers an LLC dissolution service, so you can close out your business cleanly without dealing with multiple state forms. Full disclosure, that link is a partner link, and thank you to everyone who uses them. It genuinely supports the channel. So that's the full walkthrough of how to pay quarterly estimated taxes for your LLC. You confirmed whether quarterly taxes apply, set up your LLC, EIN, and bookkeeping, calculated your estimated payments, learned the quarterly deadlines, paid through IRS direct pay or EFTPS, logged everything correctly, and learned how to adjust or shut down your LLC the right way. If you still need to form your LLC, get an EIN, or track your profit more accurately, here are the links down below. Bizee for simple, fast LLC formation or dissolution, Northwest for clean EIN setup and privacy-focused filings, Doola for automated bookkeeping that makes quarterlies way easier. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more small business videos, and drop your quarterly tax questions in the comments. I'm Erin from LLC Deals, and I'll see you in the next one.